Revolutionize your candy production with the automatic, hard candy production line, the perfect solution for high-volume, high-quality candy manufacturing. Designed to streamline the process, this advanced system ensures your hard candies are produced with consistency, speed, and precision. Automated mixing cooking ensures perfect consistency and flavor in every batch. High-speed forming cutting efficiently molds candies into uniform shapes and sizes. Flexible production capable of producing various flavors and colors to suit market demands. Enhanced productivity speeds up production while maintaining top quality output. Consistent results delivers uniform candies with precise shapes and flavors. Step up your candy game with the automatic hard candy production line and deliver sweet, consistent treats every time.